Welcome to Desai Academy of class 9th, chapter 2 is matter around us pure. So now we'll discussing about solutions. In previous videos we discussed that the type of type of mixtures, that is a homogeneous mixture and a heterogeneous mixture. Right now we'll discussing about what is the meaning of solution. First, 1 mark definition will comes here. Meaning of solution and what is a solution. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. This is a 1 mark definition. Okay, what is homogeneous means? You can write solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance is called as a solution. Very important definitions. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. You come across various types of solution in our daily life, correct? We are observing variety of solution in our life. With examples, lemonade soda, correct? Lemonade soda water is the good example. That is also one type of solution. Sugar and water, sugar and salt, these are the examples of solutions only. These are we are observing day to day life. We also drinking that one also are examples of solutions. These are the examples of solutions. Lemonade, soda, water, these are the simple examples. Usually we think of a solution as a liquid that contains either solid, liquid or a gas dissolved in it. Okay, what will be mainly thinking about the liquid, that liquid that dissolves the water may be solid and liquid and a gas. That solution may be contained as a liquid and they dissolves the solid particles, liquid particles as well as the gas particles. But we can also have solid solutions. Not only we have liquid solutions, liquid like water plus sugar, that is called as the liquid solutions, right? It is present in the liquid form. Again, not only the liquid, so we can say that solid solution also is there. Solid mixture is there. That is the term as a alloys. The term is the term you can call a alloys. Alloys means it is a mixture of metals or non-metals. We can also have solid solutions like alloys and gaseous solutions as air. Okay, the alloy is what? Solid solutions, and gaseous solutions is called as air. Gaseous solution is called as air and solid solutions are called as what? Alloys. Remember that. In a solution there is a homogeneity at the particle level. Homogeneity means equal compositions or uniform compositions in a particle level, means they are completely dissolving in that solution, are called as a homogeneity. Here the word itself telling that homo means what? Same. So equal distribution of particles. For example, lemonade tastes the same throughout. Okay, for example, we are making a lemonade soda means so this much of lemonade soda is there, means this much of all liquids or this solution will contain same taste, correct? This is called as the homogeneity, means sorry, there is no change at all of the taste of the solution. We can give the another example. We can take container in that, or you can take a small glass in that we added water plus sugar, so that is also uniformly what distributed among that solutions, among that water, so that does not change any taste, because it will evenly distributed or uniformly distributed in that solutions. That is called examples of homogeneous solutions only, homogeneity. This shows that particles of sugar or a salt are evenly distributed in the solutions. This indicates what? That sugar particles or salt particles evenly distributed. Evenly means they are completely dissolved in that water. So smallest particles also what? Evenly distributed in this what? Solutions. So this is called as a homogeneity, right? Understood? Okay, next alloys. What is the meaning of alloy? Again it will comes for 1 mark definitions. What is the meaning of alloy? Alloys are what? Alloys are a mixture. Simply alloys are a mixtures. Of which kind of mixtures? It is of two or more metal or a metal and non-metals, and cannot be separated into their components by physical methods. Simple definition is there. So here what is alloys means, alloys are a mixture. Simply alloys are a mixture of water, two or more. It may be mixtures of metal to metal. It is a mixture of metal to metal and non-metal. So it is a mixture of metal or a metal and non-metal, and cannot be separated by physical method. Remember that whatever the alloy is formed, we cannot separate by physical method, means by filtration, by weaving. This method cannot be separated by physical method. They are only separated by chemical methods. Okay, now important question comes here. What is alloy means? We can write these definitions. Alloys are what? Mixtures of two or more metal or metal and non-metal, and cannot be separated into their components physical method. This is called as what? Alloys. Remember that. But still an alloy is considered as a mixture because it shows the properties of its constituent and can have variable compositions. Here the term comes here, constituent. Constituent means from that particle is made up of, that alloy is made up of combining particles are called as a constituent. And they having variable composition, means that composition can be changeable. For example, here brass. Brass is a what? A mixture of two components. Brass is a mixture of two components. One is copper and another is what? Zinc. Here the symbol of zinc is what? Zn, and the symbol of copper is what? Cu. So these are the component of what? Brass. Copper and zinc are combined to give brass, means here copper and zinc are called as the component of brass. Here the meaning of component means is these two are called as the component of brass. So component means what here? For example, here brass. Again we are giving same example. Another time I will giving that. Listen properly. So brass is a what? Alloy. It is a made up of what? Copper is also metal, plus zinc is also metal. We already said that alloy is a mixture of metal to metal or a non-metal, right? So copper is also metal and zinc is also metal. When these are two combined, it will gives the new compound called as what? Brass. And the component of brass means, so we can say that easily zinc and copper. So how it will forms means 30% of zinc will contribute and 70% of the copper will contribute to produce what? Which kind of material? That is called as a brass. Remember what is the percentage of copper in the brass means you can write easily 70%, and in the zinc contribute how much? It is a 30%. So that will 70% of copper and 30% of zinc will makes the 100% of brass. Remember that. Okay, next here another important comes here. A solution has a solvent and solute its component. Okay, for your exam purpose they may be asked write the component of a solution. They will ask the questions like this. Write the component of a solution means you can write only two types. One is a solvent, another is what? Solute. What are the component of solutions? Component of solution means you can write as simple as a solute. One is a solute, another is a solvent. These are the component of solutions. What are the component of solution? One is a solute, another is one solvent. Next question comes here. What is the meaning of solute and what is the meaning of the solvent? Okay, solution has a solvent and a solute as its components. The component of the solution that dissolves the other component in it, usually component present in larger amount, is called as a solvent. What is simple meaning of solvent means the component of a solution that dissolves the other component in it is called as a solvent. So solvent is a solution that dissolves the other content in it is called as a solution. Sorry, it is called as what? Solvent. For example, here we taken here water, right? Water is called as a solvent because it dissolves a more number of particle in it. The water is called as what? Solvent, because it is dissolving other component in it. It is called as a solvent. Solvent meaning a solvent. The meaning of the term, it was telling solvent. Solvent, it is dissolving the other component in it. This is called as a solvent. The component in which other component are dissolving in it is called as a solvent. Again, we are given in the earlier section that the example of sugar and salt, correct? Here we are adding for example sugar. So that is called as the water is called as what? Solvent, because this sugar is dissolved in the water. So means water is dissolving the sugar particle in it, so it will become sort of solvent. Again, this sugar will become sort of solute, because the solute is dissolving in the which solution? Solvent. So this is termed as a solute particle. Okay, so there are two types of solute and solvent. The component of the solution that dissolves in the solvent is called as a solute. Simple example again we can take here. So we are taken here 50 ml of water, right? 50 ml of water in the container. We are adding 2 crystals of sugar. Okay, 2 crystals of sugar. So here when these crystals are added in the water, so the water is dissolving the sugar particles. So the water becomes here solvent, because it dissolving the sugar particle in it. It is becomes what? Solution. And the sugar dissolving in the solvent. So solute is what? Dissolving in the solvent. So it will becomes a solute. Okay, the substance which are dissolving in the solvent, it is called as a solute. The solution, the solution which dissolves the other component in it is called as what? Solutions. Means which are dissolving in the solutions is called as solute, which are dissolving in it, so that is called as a solution. These are the component of solutions. Which are the component of solutions? One is a solute and another is what? Solvent. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.